We're in the middle of Pennsylvania. Not in the middle, on the edge. Route T484. And we're taking it back to Damascus to get back in New York. Let's do it. Do it, NYC Scrambler. Oh, you were trying to peel out. Oh man, slow down. I don't want to keep telling you to slow down, but you know, you can do your speed. I'm just bringing it home in one piece. Look at that. The man gunned it. He's got the knobbies on that Scrambler. On the road tires here. I'm just gonna take it easy. Oh, I don't blame you. I would too. But my bike is swimming a little bit here and there and everywhere. Alright, I'm right behind you now, bro. Yeah, this was definitely a private road. Yeah. No. There's no more roads. It's over. No, I looked on a map and we're literally like not even on a road, really. This is like a trail, I think. I bet T is for trail. Trail number 484. Yeah, but yep. No, because it says private road on there as well. But I mean, I guess I could stop and double check, but it's all right. We'll go back to Damascus. Nice little road nonetheless, even though it was a dead end. Haha. Oh yeah, they'd be like, let's practice, boys. They're trespassing. Haha. Classic. Ooh. Thanks for calling out that pothole, bro. Yeah, I was like, I committed to it. Oh yeah, I can brake traction, for sure. No need. Nice little off-road detour, light, fire gravity road for a second. Will make the pavement feel that much better. Yeah, they're shifting to the right a little, but they're okay for now. We'll get to the road, we'll stop. They're not like in danger by any means. Yeah. We didn't expect those. They're coming up too, I think. These things happen. Yeah, probably like 7 inches. Can't imagine more. But who knows? Yeah. It's true. Nice. This road just goes and goes. Oh yeah. Alright, we're about to take a right here. Coming up. No, not the first bridge. No, we're gonna go through a different bridge. Oh yeah, the one that you thought was closed. Or, because, I mean, we can go the other way, but that goes deeper into Pennsylvania. I mean, we could stay on this side, but I think we should just cross over, if that's cool with you. Nice little detour though.